Hello everyone, nice to meet you again. I'm Shen Ming. This is my website. It's a free short links website. Now it supports new functions. Let me show you the new functions. We type the name, domain name, whois.ysl.pw slash question mark and type a domain we want to query it. Now now we want to query this domain. Let me type the enter key. Okay, the web page bring us to this page. Whois. Let's see why why my why my 这个 why my website can bring us to the final page. Because our short link free website supports the new function. I call it dynamic parameters. It's so easy. Let me do an example. Now let's check this URL. First, we want to check the 1aa.com. We click this button. Now the web page is whois information of 1aa.com, and the URL is becomes whois.whois who.is/whois/1aa.com. Yes. Now we copy this URL from here to here. Please do not copy the domain. Okay. Now we paste the URL here. 不对 Copy the URL, but not include the domain name. We copy, click the button, copy, and click and paste here. Paste here and type the $. The $, means dynamic parameters of URL. It means this, 就是 this, you know? This double $, means this. Okay, let's choose the domain 1sl.pw. We type my whois. Okay. Now let me check the URL finally. Correct. And correct. And click the button. Okay, the short link has been generated. We copy this link and do a test. Okay. This is my whois.ysl.pw slash. Now we enter a question mark and type the domain we want to query. We type yaa.net. Okay. Enter key. Now it brings us a web page. The web page 这个 Okay, now bring us to yaa.net. Now we click the backspace button. How to use? 就是 how to use? Type the my whois.1sl.pw slash. This short link is product. It's made of you. It's created by yourself. Now type the 这个 the question mark and then type your name you wanted. For example, Google. It brings a web page, and carefully, it wants us to carefully. Don't be cheated. And then finally, it brings us to the final URL who.is/whois/google.com. Okay, this function is more interested. I think it must be useful for you, for someone. Okay, that's all for today. See you. Bye bye. I'm Jiaming. Don't forget to follow me. Thank you for watching.